Definitely the most complex surgeries I've had. It's been a journey. Hi, I'm Sydney Bear. I go to Millard South High School and I'm a junior.
And her story starts as a sophomore on the soccer field.
At practice, I kind of fell and something popped. I thought my knee just kind of like moved, so I got back up and it was kind of just like my bones felt like they were like moving kind of across.
Knee pain would eventually lead her to Dr. Ryan Koehler, an orthopedic surgeon at Children's who specializes in sports medicine.
She has something called osteochondritis dissecans.
An easy way to explain it is where like my bones in like little spots lost blood flow and they kind of died.
She initially presented with it of her trochlea, which is the part of the knee where basically the kneecap tracks on. It was like the whole side of one of the V's. So like when we put the scope in at first, you could like move all the cartilage on one side of where the kneecap tracked, and that was like really unstable, probably one of the more unstable ones that I've ever seen in practice and in training.
With the bone and cartilage condition present in both knees, Sydney underwent 3 surgeries in a span of 8 months, the latest coming this fall.
The right knee, the cartilage had really healed well. She's done a great job of doing her rehab and working on strengthening, but the cartilage looked really awesome. And the left knee, the same thing. I mean, it was really stable. We took her screws out and I was really, really happy with how everything looked at the end.
It's gonna feel really good.
In between surgeries, Sydney has worked with Katie Ilardi.
When does soccer start?
She is a children's sports physical therapist who strikes a balance between pushing recovering athletes while celebrating their milestones.
So this really shows you which way you're leaning. Such a simple exercise is lifting your leg. And it's so hard for kids to do that after surgery because their quad just gets very weak. So as soon as they can just lift their leg, we just get so excited, and you want to show that excitement for these kids and so they can see their milestones and see their progress. Not all the way straight, you're gonna go half up, half down.
Every day I come, Katie is with me every single step. She's helped me with literally from when I was in crutches to getting my brace off. I couldn't have done it without her.
One more.
Rehab is now the final step in a process that highlights the teamwork of all involved at Children's.
Good job.
Any kind of surgery, but in particular sports surgery, because rehab is such a big part of that and getting back to playing, that having kind of a team approach to it, having them all in one place and communicating is pretty important.
He did the surgery, so he knows exactly what's going on in her knee. When I start seeing things like, I think Sydney's really ready to start doing this, I, shoot him an email or communicate with him, and he's able to get right back to me and let me know, yes, let's start pushing her, or let's back down a little bit. Yep, and then back up. Nice, good.
That collaboration now has Sydney on schedule for a return to the soccer field this spring.
Good. It's really exciting, just thinking about even starting to run or anything. I've already started to get back into some things and walking and marching band and stuff, but yeah, it's really exciting. It's been such a long process.
She had a unique kind of challenge, and I mean, she's really done fantastic with everything we've thrown at her, just working really hard to get back to doing the things that she loves to do. And the unique thing about Children's is that, it's not just we have all the sports medicine side of things. It takes a whole team to get a complex issue like this solved, and I think the team really knocked it out of the park with this one.